morning, students. Welcome back to our digital class. Myself, Mrs. Shagufta Sheikh, have come up with a new topic of mathematics, that is, lesson number 5, multiplication, part 1. But before starting multiplication, you should learn table from 2 to 20. Then only you will be able to solve sum. So, let us start now.
Good morning, students. Today we will start with a new topic, that is multiplication. But before starting multiplication, you should know the tables by heart from 2 to 20. Now let us have a quick revision. What do we mean by multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. For example, 4 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 12. What do you mean by that? It means 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equals to 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12. That means 4 is 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. The answer you will get is 12. Therefore, multiplication is nothing but it is a repeated addition. Now, let us see what are the properties of multiplication. The product of two numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. For example, 6 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 6. The answer is 30. This means if you change the order of the number or you interchange the number, the answer will be same. For example, 6 multiplied by 5, the answer you will get is 30. And also 5 multiplied by 6, the answer will also be 30. It means that the product of two numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. Now let us see what is the second property of multiplication. Let us read together. When we multiply 0 by any number or when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. For example, 0 multiplied by 4 is equals to 0 or 4 multiplied by 0 which is equals to 0. It means that when any number is multiplied by 0, the product we will get is 0. And this you have to remember while doing the sums.
Till now we have seen what do we mean by multiplication, and we have seen the two properties of its multiplication. Now we will see what do we mean by multiplicand, multiplier and product. For example, 12 multiplied by 5 which is equals to 60. The number which is getting multiplied is called as a multiplicand. The number by which the multiplicand is being multiplied is called as a multiplier. And the answer after getting multiplied, the answer which we are getting is called as the product. Have you all understood now? The number which is getting multiplied is called as multiplicand, and the number by which the multiplicand is being multiplied is called as a multiplier, and the answer which we are getting is called as the product. Okay, now let us start with a revision. For example, 8 dozen bananas were bought to give to the children. 1 dozen bananas is 12. How many are 8 dozen? So, in the 1 dozen bananas, how many bananas we get? We get 12 bananas. Therefore, what it is asked here? How many are 8 dozen? We have to find how many bananas we get in 8 dozen. For this, we have to multiply 12 by 8. 12 multiplied by 8. And this multiplication we have to do using the lattice method. What we have to do in the lattice method? First we need to write the number in the expanded form. How to write 12 in expanded form? Yes, how to write 12 in expanded form? It can be written as 10 plus 2. And 8 already being a single digit number, we need not to expand. We don't have to expand the 8. And this multiplication we have to do using the lattice method. In lattice method what we do? We do the multiplication by drawing the columns. In this box, we have to write the sign of multiplication. What is the sign of multiplication? Have you remembered? This is the sign of multiplication. Then, this number 12 multiplied by 8. 12 we have already written in the expanded form. Therefore, we will write this number in that column. 10 and 2. 12 is multiplied by which number? 8. And 8 will be written as here. Then, first 8 will get multiplied by 10. And then second 8 multiplied by 2. What is 8 multiplied by 10 is how much? Yes, 10 8s are 80. Therefore, 8 multiplied by 10, the answer what we have got 80, we will write in this box. Then, after multiplied by first number, 8 will get multiplied by the second number. What is the second number here? 2. Therefore, 8 multiplied by 2. What is 8 2s are? 8 2s is 16. Then 8 multiplied by 2, the answer which we have got here, 16, we will write in this box. Then this is the answer which we have got here. 8 multiplied by 10 is 80. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Then after getting the answer, we need to add the number. First answer what we got here? 80. Second number is 16. We have to add. 0 plus 6 is how much? 6. And 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. Therefore, the total answer we got here is 96. Therefore, how many are 8 dozen? Therefore, 8 dozen bananas is how much? 96. Now, let us take another example. 53 multiplied by 8. This multiplication we have to do using the lattice method. And for doing the lattice method, we need to expand the number. How to write 53 in expanded form? 50 plus 3. And 8 already being a single digit number, we need not have to expand this number. How to do the multiplication using the lattice method? We need to draw the column. In this box, what will come here? Sign of multiplication. And 53 we have written in the expanded form. 50 plus 3. What is the first number here? 50. Second number is 3. 3 will come in this form. 53 is multiplied by what? 8. And 8 will come here. Now we have to multiply 8 by 50. Then 8 multiplied by 3. Let us do the first multiplication. 8 multiplied by 50. Therefore, 50 multiplied by 8 is how much? 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40. What is the answer here? 400. Then 8 multiplied by 50, the answer we have got here is 400. Then 8 multiplied by 3. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 8. Now we will multiply 8 by the second number. 8 3 is how much? 8 3 is 24. The answer we will write here. 8 multiplied by 15, the answer we have got here is 400. We have written in the first box. 8 multiplied by 3, answer is 24. Then we have written answer in the next box. Now the answer which we have got here, we will add it together. Now place the number in their proper place value. Unit, tens and 100. 400, 0, 0 and 4. Next number is 24. 4 will be written in units place and 2 will be written in tens place. Now we have to add this. 0 plus 4 is how much? 4. 0 plus 2 is how much? 2. And under 4, no number is there, nothing is written. Therefore, 4 will be written as it is here. 400 plus 24, answer we have got here is 424. Therefore, 53 multiplied by 8 is 424. Final answer we will write here. 53 multiplied by 8. What is the answer we have got here? 424. This is our final answer. Now let us take another example of 2-digit number. 75 multiplied by 11. For using the lattice method, we need to write this number in the expanded form. How to write 75 in expanded form? It is 70 plus 5. And 11 is written. How 11 is written in expanded form? That is 10 plus 1. 75 multiplied by 11. First we need to expand 75. 75 is written as 70 plus 5 and 11 is written as 10 plus 1. Now for using the lattice method, we need to again draw the table. In this manner, we have to draw the table. First, in this box, what will come here? The sign of multiplication. Then, what is the first number here? 75. We have written 75 as 70 plus 5. Therefore, 70 in the first box and 5 in the next box. What is the next number here? 11, which we have written as 10 plus 1. This will come under the sign of multiplication. 10 in first box and 1 the below. Now 10 multiplied by 70. First we have to multiply 10 multiplied by 70. What is the answer here? 70 multiplied by 10. That is 700. What is the answer? 10 multiplied by 70 is 700. First we have multiplied 10 by first number. Now we have to multiply 10 by the second number. What is the second number here? 5. Therefore 10 multiplied by 5 is how much? 50. What answer we have got here is 50. 10 multiplied by 70 is 700. 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. Now the second number is 1. 1 multiplied by 70 is 70. See, 70 multiplied by 1 is how much? 71 is 70. What is the second number? 1 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Therefore, what answer will come here? 10 multiplied by 5 is 5. This is the answer we have got here. 10 multiplied by 70 is 700. 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. Now, second number, 1 multiplied by 70 is 70 and 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Then, we have to add all these 4 numbers. The answer which we have got, we have to add all together. Now, units 10 and 100. Now, put this number according to their place value, 700. 0, 0, 7. Next is 70. 0, 7. Here is 50. 0, 5. And next is 5. Now all these 4 numbers we have to add together. See from units place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 5 is how much? 5. In tens place, 0 plus 7 is how much? 7 and 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. 12. How we write 12? In this manner. So, 2 will write in this place and 1 will carry over here. Therefore, 1 plus 7 is how much? 8. The answer we got here is 825. Have you all understood till here?
I hope till here you have understood. We will meet in our next video. Till then, you will do the remaining sums for your homework. So, kindly subscribe our channel to receive further notification. Thank you.